ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ?
So yes, this was the whole point of making the video.
Guys, welcome back. So today we are, where are we right now? Some place.
We are in Krishna Keshava.
We are in Krishna Keshava. So where are we headed to? Let's ask Bhargavi. This is Bhargavi, guys. Hi. Where are we headed to? So let's start it. Where are we headed to? So let's go to Kudremukha. See, this is Farhan. I think you must have seen him in most of my vlogs. These are new people who are in my vlog.
New people.
Yeah. Say hi to my subscribers. Hi. Yes.
Oh, YouTube video, guys.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಾಯ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೇಳು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಾಯ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೇಳು. So this is one more candidate who just came from washroom. Say hi. Yes.
So guys, we're having breakfast. We have Holla, we have Samruddhi, we have Muhesh. You can see in that table. Just ignore them. We have Sagar. Yeah, let's ignore them. Let's ignore them, guys. ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಿಂತಾಳೆ ನೋಡು.
I'm eating like a girl. Bhargavi has taken dosa. Vade's food has not come yet, and Mohesh is not eating aesthetically.
Dosa is like.
Bhargav, no. Samruddhi is just leaving after seeing the dosa. Yeah. Hoilas is awesome. Look at this thing. Guys, this is the wash basin. Look how aesthetically coded this is. Damn. I'm gonna wash my hands. Bhargavi also washed her hands. Yeah.
ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ.
Almost near Sakleshpur, and it's raining. You want to see these guys? Look at them. It's
Hi guys, मेरा नाम फरहान है.
See, that will be excluded. It's raining, okay, guys. The windows are wet. Yes, and we are playing this song. I hope you can all hear me. These are the people in the bus. Some of them are down, some of them are still up. And then we'll see you once we reach there. Bye. Guys, Bhargavi got all of us lychees. Some weird ass lychees. Yes. So now all of us are having it. Hello guys, welcome back.
Welcome guys.
We have stopped at a point to go to the
Manjarbad Fort.
Yes, that's our location. So we are all climbing. We are climbing here. So yes, these are my friends at the back. Yes. So I'll talk to you guys when I reach the fort. I'm having hiccups. I need water.
Holla ille aitu.
Guys, we've been climbing the stairs.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇವರು
See, look at these people.
ನಾಳೆ ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ
They're already
ಹತ್ಬೇಕಂತ
tired.
ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
My friends here are already tired.
ನೀನು ತೆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ.
Look at them. Look at them. I think we've reached the fort, guys.
ಟ್ರೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಟ್ರೆಕ್ ಅಂತೂ ಯಾಕೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೌಟ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ.
Guys, this is where we are now. Look at the view. Isn't it mind-blowing? The air is breezing and we are on top of the hill. This looks awesome.
So this is in the star shape.
Oh,
You can see.
so this is our guide who is telling us everything.
And this is the well, guys.
Wow,
Or if
that's
you
the
want
well.
water, you can go drink.
Okay, thanks. Wow, this is one more view from the
You know that,
fort.
eh?
So there's nothing much, but it looks very beautiful. Bhargavi, do you have anything to tell?
The wind is so good.
Right? We are already exhausted. Into which?
Guard post house.
Into some gufa, guys. It's not a cave, but like it looks pretty good. Wow. ನಂಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. That was some ರಾಣಿ's house and all. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. Maybe, I don't know. I'm just making my own theories.
Where is Disha flashlight? Where is flashlight?
I think Mohesh is shitting over there. Mohesh looks like he's shitting. Let's see. Mohesh, are you shitting?
No, I'm potting.
Yeah, I can see that.
No tripod. Yo, we forgot tripod, bro.
Oh, yes.
Farhan and his boobs. Damn, the wind.
भाई बारिश होना था bro. Yeah.
I'm gonna put a rock. Guys, we're on top of the hill, like all of, not hill fort. So this is how my hair looks like.
ಏನು ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ದು ಬಾಯ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಗಲ್ಲ ಗೈಸ್ ಓಕೆ ದಿಸ್ Sagar here signing in right now. So we thought of taking the photos here. This is Manjarabad Fort, which is constructed by Farhan's ancestors. This constructed Farhan's ancestor Tipu Sultan. No, male.
Hi guys, now we're heading down, but it's raining. So we're holding chhatris. Bhargavi, where is she? Yes. I don't know where the rest of them, but I think they're just standing. Yeah. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಛತ್ರಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. It's raining, guys. How do you feel? Bhaya.
What's gonna hold you?
Hello guys, welcome back. This is Samruddhi.
Sorry for interrupting.
That's okay. Say hi.
Hi, Manshree's subscribers.
Yeah.
So 21 subscribers, out of which 11 are here. 27. Okay. 11 of us are here.
How do I make
Now
one?
we've come to have lunch. All of them are here.
Say hi, Farhan.
Hi
Say
guys.
hi to our subscribers.
They've come to have lunch.
21 subscribers.
27 guys.
Oh, 27.
27 people.
Yes.
Okay, so
Hi guys, welcome back. So right now we've come to Hotel Jai Lakshmi to get some coffee.
Yes, sir.
All of them are sitting here.
Tell hi, guys.
Okay, Jessica.
They're not very good people who acknowledge your feelings, guys. So it's
Only
okay.
me and Holla talk.
Yes.
Yeah.
My username is
They're
Shreyas
all-
underscore
they're just-
Holla. I'm very lonely.
Please text me.
So I will show you guys how this coffee tastes. So I will get back to you. Once we got in their coffee, Disha is drinking tea. So Mohesh, do you want to review the coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's gonna taste it. We don't trust his taste, but still I'm taking an opinion.
Yeah, it's good.
It's good?
Approved.
Okay.
100%.
Okay, who else wants to give a review on the coffee? Nobody's acknowledging.
He can't. His taste buds
Manushree.
are.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, it's
Review kodu. Okay.
Nice guys. Clickbait.
Guys, everyone's sleeping. Hello guys, welcome back. So you see us in our raincoats, poncho, and then here. So where are we? We are on the jeep. So now we are headed to the station. Sorry, homestay. Varun, say hi. Hello. This is Varun. He is without the raincoat. I don't know how he's gonna manage. He's all his chaddi and all the way wet, guys. So Farhan is also climbing now. Yes, Farhan is also on. I hope you guys can see the jeep. This is the jeep. We are all standing here and we are going to stand and go to the homestay.
Oh shit.
So
Mohesh, where?
Mohesh also joined.
Yeah, where?
Mohesh, where?
No leave.
Mohesh has joined. Maya has joined. Yes. So guys, we are heading towards this Keechad Jaga. Woo. This is where we are going.
Hey, reverse mado camera na.
Reverse check.
Nam now barbeku.
So all of us are here.
Corner road ki
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾರ್ಗ ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಿರುಗು ಬಾರ್ಗ ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಿರುಗು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾರ್ಗವಿ
Excavation ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು.
ouch so guys ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಮುಳ್ಳೋಡಿ ಮಾನ್ಸೂನ್ ಟ್ರಕ್ಕ ಸೊ guys it's crazy
but it will not come.
It's raining heavily, guys. So we reached our
Crocs guys the savior Crocs
Same bro. So guys, we reached our room. So shut up. We reached our room now. All of us are waiting to change dress.
Even though I have 7:30, I will not waste that. 30 of that.
Hello guys, welcome back. So now we are sitting for dinner. I'll show you the people sitting for dinner. That's That's Mohesh Bhargavi. So hi guys, Farhan is giving all of his plates. Well, Sagar is also helping him serve everything. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Charity, Farhan is doing.
You can't believe what I saw.
Mohesh
ನಾನಂತ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು clickbait ಅಲ್ಲ.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅದು clickbait opposite.
Guys, that's the. Hey, put flashlight alli. Ooh. That's the ghost of the house. Gogaya. Hello guys, welcome back.
Hello. It's, I think, 12:30.
Hi, it is no. Open ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. Time ಎಷ್ಟು? It is 12:36. And I'm sleeping with Bhargavi. On my right, Samruddhi. Where is Samruddhi?
I think she's already out.
Oh, Samruddhi on my left, she's already out. So my sleeping partner is Bhargavi alone today.
Yep.
So we thought we wouldn't sleep, but
We thought of sleeping, but we're not getting any sleep. And we have to wake up early and go on trek.
yeah, will this be possible?
ಎಷ್ಟು kilometer? 22 na.
Hello guys, welcome back. Hello. So here I am with Bhargavi eating breakfast. We are already very late, but still we are not fast enough to leave this place. Sanjana is also here now. Oh, hi Eli uncle. ಯಾರ picture
Coffee.
Hello guys, welcome back. So now we had breakfast and we are heading to the Kudremukha peak.
Guys, I'm the guide.
Guide is here. Guide is here.
ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ತೋರ್ಸು.
So all of them are here. All of them are going to leave now. So we are already late.
Guys, going in
This
steady.
is what he's wearing. The leeches can crawl up his pants.
Truck shoes.
Oh, truck shoes. Yes. Yes. So say good luck, guys. Hope we'll complete the peak.
Okay.
So people are coming over here. That is Disha, that is Holla. Some people are still getting ready. Let them get ready. So this is how the view looks, guys. This is how beautiful it is. This is our homestay. A beautiful homestay. So yes. Guys, this is Kudremukha peak checking base point. We are all here now. With this baby. Oh, Aitappa. That's the uncle who's taking us. Hello guys, welcome back. I'm using Holla's phone for now because something wrong with mine. So this is us before the trek. This is us before the trek. This is him before the trek. This is Disha before the trek.
Hi guys.
This is Shaman before the trek. This is Varun before the trek. This is Sanjana before the trek.
Hi.
This is Mohesh before the trek. Yes. So this is Sagar before the trek. This is Farhan before.
Hi guys.
So we've recorded everybody's. So let's see how we'll be after the trek, guys. So we have started the trek, guys. With me. No, already. There's two Gajanas. Mohesh and Farhan. There's someone behind me. You're num trek lead, guys. Sir, hi anbidi.
Hi.
Guys, everyone's telling me to move fast. So I'm moving fast. And I will show you guys the view also. Look at this. Mind blowing. What else can I tell? If the clarity is not nice, don't blame me, guys. It's Holla's phone.
Shut the fuck up.
So guys, this is somewhere in the beginning only we are seeing something here. Stream, I guess. So these are the three people in front of me. And these are the few people behind me.
Hi guys. Go.
This is how it looks, guys. Look at this. Whoa. This is how we are going. Kudremukha barta idre bandbidi, guys, ivagle.
I mean, it's not raining.
I know it's not raining today, luckily.
Fun, you nodi.
He's having his GoPro, guys. Let's feature that also. Guys, ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕಣ್ಮಳೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗದೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಐಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್. ಮುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಇವಾಗ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೋನ್ ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Mahesh, you have come a little far. How do you feel?
I feel glad, not for myself, but for the girls who have completed.
Misogynist fucker. Look at him, guys. Shamelessly selling this on camera. If you ever want to report this fellow, my video is the way. Oh God, how to go? Allindana illindana. Guys, so Mohesh and I were walking together and I was holding on to the stick. But Mohesh told throw the stick away. And just when he told that, Mohesh had a very great fall. How did the fall feel for Mohesh? Mohesh, my subscribers are waiting for your response. Look at the camera and talk.
That fucking stick is always a hurdle for me. See, again.
He fell, guys, he fell.
She kept the stick somewhere, okay? I thought I will make that a support. Then I stepped somewhere else just because she kept the stick there. And then I fell.
Guys, can you see that? We are passing through that, holding the rope. My back camera like a portrait book, so I'm recording it like this. Yeah, Samruddhi ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಲು. We reached some point, guys.
Oh my fuck!
Some random. All of us are here. Samruddhi already asking for a break. It's a beautiful
Not at all allowed.
ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಮಾಡು. ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಕಾಡ್ಮನ್ಷ ಜೊತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಗೈಸ್ ಕಾಡ್ಮನ್ಷ ಜೊತೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಗೈಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಗೈಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಜೊತೆ apparently there's a crab guys oh cutie it's going it is also trekking oh guys look at this somehow it's not raining guys look at this is how I'm walking this is how others are walking ನಾನು ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ this is how all of my friends are coming so guys ನನ್ನ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವರ್ಷ ಇಲ್ಲೊಬ್ಳು ದಿಶಾ ಓ ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಗ್ತಾಳೆ ಅವಳು ಓ ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ನೀರಿಗೆ guys this is apparently the nose stream it is inspired by Mohesh's nose just like how Mohesh's nose would leak this is also leaking like that only ಹಾಯ್ ಸಾಕು ಹಾಯ್ ಅಂದಿದ್ದೆ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಹಾಯ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದವರಾ ನೀವು ವಾವ್ ನಾನೇನನ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗಿನ ವರ್ಷದಾಗೂ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಾವೇ ಬೆಸ್ಟಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಣ್ಣ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗಾಟನ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಿ ದ ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿ ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋನಾ ಫಾಲೋ ಹರ್ yes yeah wow guys you have to see this but unfortunately I'm not able to show you guys this like look at this guys ಇವನೇನೋ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಓಹೋ ಲೀಚ್ ಗೈಸ್ ನಿಜ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದೆಮ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ 100 ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 100 ಸಲ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಬಟ್ ಫಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಗೈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯೂ is nothing that you'll get at home I mean just look at it ಮನೇಲಿ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿ ಏನು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನಾನು ಮನೇಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಏನೂ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಿಸ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಸೊ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗೈಸ್ go to the trip you'll learn a lot of things how to survive with people know how to live life right so yes guys please hogi friends jothe friends illa andru somehow socialize and go with people because this is something that I never expected I'd be doing thanks to my friends thank goodness that I have such good friends I'm really happy guys so this is something that I would have never seen if I was with my parents yeah so I lied at home telling ki only girls adu idu anta but friends bro artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅವರುನು ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ I'll rebel and I will win bye guys we have reached somewhere here I think we are still
That is 3 kilometers from Kudremukha.
Yeah, oh yeah, 3 kilometers from Kudremukha. So here are two Thai people.
Hey, two gorilla.
This is Shaman,
Wait, yeah.
Paran, GoPro.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ
Best water.
ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗೋಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ
ನನ್ನ ರೀಡೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯ್ತು ನಾನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇವಾಗ
ಇನ್ನ ಥರ್ಡ್ ನೀನು ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್
ಬಾರೋ
guys too tiring guys don't do kids please
ಬನ್ನಿ ಗೈಸ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೂ ವಿಂಡಿ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್ ದ ವಿಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಗೈಸ್ ನಂದು ಒಂದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋ really long time. So it's 12 o'clock or 12:02 now, and we're almost reaching the peak. I have Disha behind me. I have Varun in front of me. Now we're almost going there, but it's like completely foggy and it's too cold. Both our hands are freezing. If you can see my nail polish, it is glowing. Disha, do you have anything to tell? She's speechless, guys. her mouth is frozen.
My hands are purple color.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಗಾಳಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಗೈಸ್ ದಿಶಾ ಇಸ್ ಟಯರ್ಡ್
ಕಾಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಮೇಲೆ
ಬಂದ್ಲು ದಿಶಾ ಬಾ ದಿಶಾ
ಕಾಲ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯೇ
ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಹಲೋ ಗೈಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್
Bag which
ಸಮನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು ಚೀಟಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ that we the 1 2 3 4 5 of us have reached.
so first
The 6 people are
first
still
it
yet
was
to
me
come.
and Shaman first
Liar comes. Shut up. Guys, Sanjana and Sagar have reached. Say hi, Sanjana. Nobody is in the state to say hi.
Hi,
So
Lily.
look at us gab-gabbing the food.
Guys, the puliyogre in the
Best. Like, I don't think I've ever enjoyed puliyogre like
I
this.
have a startup idea. Maggie.
No, ನೆನ್ನೆದು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪಕೋಡ ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Welcome back, guys. Samantha is here. So Samriddhi is here, guys. Samriddhi, do you see her? Yes. How do you feel, Samu?
I feel nothing. I feel so tired.
I am very proud of her because she completed the trek. I thought she would give up halfway. There's a board here, I'll show. Guys, the last two finally reached. Ah! Ba, bega ba. Congratulations. Okay, that's a leech, guys. Mohesh is spraying some shit.
ಲೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮೋಯ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಏ ಇದುರು ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಲೌಡೆ ಅದ್ ನೀರ್ದು ಅದು ಕೇದಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡು ಅದು ಜೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದು
ಅಸಹ್ಯ.
ಬ್ರೋ ರೇಪೆ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದು ಸೆಕ್ಸೇ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ನೀವು
ಅದೇ ಚೀ. This is Mohesh. We see a leech.
on his land one beach
Yes. Is he gonna remove that or let the thing suck it?
ಹೊಡಿಯೋ ಕೈಗೆ ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಏ ಧನರಾಜ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಏ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಐತೆ ಮಾಡ
ನೀನು ಫೋನಾರು ಕೊಡೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಶಾರ್ಟ್. Hello guys. Unfortunately, I am leading the descending part. That's Mohesh and the rest of the gang. I hope you can see them from here at least. ಹೋಗು ಹೋಗು ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗು 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 ಹೋಗು. ಹಲೋ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. 4 ಜನ ಬಂದ್ವಿ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ.
ಇನ್ನು ಇಬ್ರು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ,
ಇನ್ನು 5 ಜನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಶಮಂತ್?
ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೀಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ.
ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕಾಲು ತಲೆ.
ವಾರುಣ್, ಮೈ ಆಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್.
ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ.
ಓ
Mind blowing trek, guys. Actually come here, enjoy your time. ಸಖತ್ ಕಾಲು ನೋವ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. I mean my ಮಂಡಿ is paining a lot. Guys, welcome back. So right now we are having dinner. I am having chicken. He's having veg ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ದ್ರೋಹ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ guys. You see Mohesh is digging into the plate. Non-veg. ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, that is Disha, guys. Then we have a lot of other people. Say off hi.
In the name of Father, the Son and the Holy Christ. Amen.
Meet our nun, guys.
Anna is thinking, what are they speaking anta?
ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕಳ್ಸ ಜಾಮ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
So guys, this is we are going to the base now again. What is base alla?
They are going to the base.
Pulwadi.
The land, not trek. Done with trek.
Yeah, done with the hill.
Done with
mountains. ಏನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ? ಹಾ.
ಏನು ತಂದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ.
So episode with Varun today. Gyan with Varun. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಯಾನ್.
ಏನು ಜ್ಞಾನ.
Hello guys, welcome back. So we are sitting in a jeep right now. ಇವಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ವಾಪಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಗೈಸ್. ಬೈ ಟು ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಟ್ರಿಪ್. ಬಾಯ್. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಜರ್ನಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜರ್ನಿ ಮುಗೀತು. ಸಾಗರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹಿಯರ್.
ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕಣ, ನಾನು ಹೊಗಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. Sabakarai.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಕಿ.
ಲೋ, ನಾನು ಇಯರ್ಫೋನ್ಸ್ ತಂದಿಲ್ಲೋ.
जीने लगा हूँ पहले से ज्यादा तुम पे मरने लगा हूँ. Hello guys, welcome back. So right now we are in Pakashala and this is the last meal. This is the last everything about this trip. So let us review everybody's response about the trip. So let's start with Varun. So talk about the trip in one line. One line, not one sentence.
Would do again 100%.
Hello. I don't know if I'll be doing this again, but I want to do it again.
Guys, actually the trek was awesome. The best part was after the trek, when we saw the base point, that was the best point. So yeah, ನಾನು ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಎಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಸಂಜನಾ. So great trucker, please show the Sanjana.
Now let's talk to Sanjana.
Hi guys.
Don't disturb. Huh, Sanjana?
Amazing trip. All thanks to Sagar for I don't know for what, but yeah. But the river crossings were amazing.
ನಾನು ಫುಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದಿಶಾ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ ಎಂಡ್ ತನಕ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಪೀಕ್ ತನಕ. ಸೊ ಅವಳ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Guys, it was the best trip me and Shamanth had together, separately but in the group trip.
Not for the
Farhan,
Yes.
talk about the trip in one line. Are you seeing?
The trip was amazing guys.
ಯಪ್ಪ, ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಗೈಸ್. ಮೋಹಿಶ್,
Trip was great. I felt the trip would be fabulous if girls wouldn't be there, but still they had come.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೋಹಿಶ್.
ಅವ್ನು ಮೋಹೇಶಿಗೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Psycho. The way back was also way better. Check was also good. Everything was fine.
Bomb trek, bomb people, bomb place.
So guys, if I would want to tell about this trip, I think I've had fun with a lot of people who I never thought I would go out with. These are some really random, I mean, this is not a whole
So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I cannot give you everything, you know I wish I could. I'm so high at the moment, I'm so caught up in it. Yeah, we're just young, dumb and broke, but we still got love to give while we're young, dumb and broke. Young, dumb and broke. Young, dumb and broke. Young, dumb, broke high school kid. Young, dumb, broke high school kid. We have so much in common. We argue all the time. You always say I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure I'm right. What's fun?